very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Wheel of the Infinite, Dark Matter, Dark Energy, and the signature of the Master Creator. Ladies and gentlemen, from the bright noon sky to the deepest midnight, galaxies wheel in silence far beyond unaided sight. Even the most advanced instruments reveal only a fragment of the cosmos. Less than 5% of existence is made of the familiar atoms and light. The rest persists as dark matter and dark energy, an invisible scaffold and a pervasive force that bind and expand the universe. This measured reality prompts a question, both scientific and spiritual. Does the hidden architecture carry a meaning? And if so, what does that meaning ask of the heart and mind? Evidence for the unseen first emerged in the unexpected movement of stars, motions that ordinary mass could not explain, and later in the discovery that the universe expansion is accelerating. Together, these facts point to a cosmos sustained largely by what cannot be touched or directly observed. Such findings do not deny reality, they enlarge it. They invite a posture of humility before a design whose scale and subtlety exceeds human senses. Human perception itself is a marvel and a limit. Senses and instruments operate principally in three spatial dimensions. Time is perceived as a fourth dimension and is richly debated in theoretical physics, and many thinkers entertain the possibility of further dimensions beyond immediate perception. The human genome similarly speaks of known and unknown realms. A relatively small, well understood portion directs visible traits, while vast stretches of DNA contain regulatory, structural, and still mysterious elements that suggest deeper potential. The brain offers the same paradox, an organ of breathtaking imagination, intuition, and analytic power, yet constrained by biological boundaries. The more energy, attention, and disciplined focus brought to this instrument, the more of its capacities become apparent, still certain horizons remain beyond single minds and single lifetimes. This interplay of power and limit is not failure but design. The microcosm within, cells, fields, the rhythms of heart and mind reflects the macrocosm above. The invisible scaffolding that shapes galaxies finds its echo in the invisible scaffolding that organizes life. Like music that depends as much on the silence between notes as on each sounding tone, creation may rely on an unseen substrate whose very absence from view makes the manifest possible and meaningful. To name that substrate is to step into different languages. Divine, master creator, cosmic intelligence, or the unmanifest ground. Each term points to a single thought. What is unseen is not void, but presence. It holds and sustains the visible world. This recognition changes how curiosity is held. Scientific inquiry becomes devotion to truth rather than conquest. Imagination becomes sacred play. Stewardship of the earth becomes an ethical response to belonging. Knowing that human perception has limits does not diminish wonder. It refines it into reverence and responsible action. What's the way forward? Approach the unknown with disciplined humility and childlike curiosity. Tend to the earth that nourishes life while cultivating inner practices of reflection, prayer, study that expand perception. Pursue science with ethical clarity and allow spiritual insight to steady ambition. Encourage learning that honors both the rigor of observation and the depth of intuition, for together they form the fullest path toward understanding. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, dark matter and dark energy teach a profound lesson. The greatest foundations of existence often lie quietly beyond sight. This truth asks for humility, responsibility, and a harmonizing of intellect with devotion. Let every inquiry be tempered by care. Let every discovery deepen compassion. Let every action be an offering to the living fabric that holds stars and heartbeats alike. Spoken with reverence, Lord Krishna's final declaration in the Bhagavad Gita closes the circle and leaves the listener in sacred pause. All beings dwell in me, yet I remain beyond them. Behold this divine mystery. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.